welcome to online class. Standard 8 Subject Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss on chemical properties of bases. See here, there are three chemical properties. The first one is a reaction with metal. Second one is a reaction with non-metal oxide. And the third one is a reaction with ammonium salts. Shall we discuss one by one? What is the first one? Reaction with metals. Okay. See here, metals do not react with bases. But some of the metal like aluminium and zinc reacts with bases like sodium hydroxide. Yes, what are the products formed here? One is illuminates, another one is release, that is hydrogen. Hydrogen released in the form of gas. See here, aluminium is a metal. Reaction with the base, that is sodium hydroxide, along with the water, that is H2O, to form the product is sodium aluminate and also hydrogen. So how can write the reaction? See here, what is the symbol of aluminium? That is Al, isn't it? And it is a reaction with the base, that is sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and also water H2O gives rise to sodium aluminate. What is the formula for sodium aluminate? That is NaAlO2. Yes, sodium aluminate, and also release hydrogen in the form of gas. So how can balance the reaction, students? See here, both the side, one Na, aluminum also same, but oxygen also same. But see here, hydrogen, here 1 plus 2, so totally 3 hydrogen, but in this side only 2. Okay, that's why we have to balance, put a 3 here. So if it is put 3 means it is totally becomes 6. So how can balance? Shall I put 2? It becomes 4. If you are putting 2 means it becomes 2. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So hydrogen is balanced now. So in front of the sodium 2 means, so before that put sodium 2. So now aluminium also 2. So put aluminium 2. Okay, the reaction is balanced. What is the next one? Yeah, the next chemical property is reaction with non-metal oxides. So all bases react with non-metallic oxide to form salt and water. For example, sodium hydroxide reacts with the carbon dioxide means to form sodium carbonate. So how can write the reaction? See here, sodium hydroxide reaction with the carbon dioxide to form sodium carbonate along with the water. Shall I write the reaction? Yeah. What is the formula for sodium hydroxide? NaOH reaction with carbon dioxide to form sodium carbonate. What is the formula for sodium carbonate? That is Na2CO3 plus water. Okay. So here 2 sodium, that's why in front of the sodium hydroxide put 2. Okay. Afterwards take it, remaining are balanced, isn't it? So oxygen, how many oxygen? 3 plus 1, totally 4 oxygen. Here also 2 plus 2, 4 oxygen. Equation gets balanced. What is the third chemical property is, see here, reaction with ammonium salts. Bases reacts with ammonium salts to form metal salt, ammonia gas in the water. Yes, see here, how can write the reaction? Yes, ammonium chloride, isn't it? What is the formula for ammonium chloride? NH4Cl plus sodium hydroxide NaOH gives rise to, see here, NaCl. Yes, ammonia gas is a whole plus water. Okay, now clear reaction? Yes. After finishing chemical properties of bases, the next one is some of the properties are similar with acid and bases. So the next topic is similarities between acids and bases. Okay. What are the properties are similar? The first one is they are corrosive in nature. Second property is they undergo ionization in aqueous solution. Third property is they conduct electricity in aqueous solution. The last one, they undergo neutralization reaction, acid-base reaction. Yes, some of the properties are similar for acid and bases, but see here some differences between the acid and bases also is there. Shall we discuss? Yes. What are the properties of difference? Acid means they produce H plus ion in water. But in this base means they produce OH minus ions in water. Okay, what is the taste of acid? Acid means they are sour in taste. But bases, they are bitter in taste, isn't it, student? But see here, few acids only in the form of solid, but bases, most of the bases in the form of solid. The last one is acid turns blue litmus paper to red, but bases turn red litmus paper to blue. Okay, now clear? These and all difference between acids and bases. Yes, see here litmus paper test, isn't it? Acid means blue is converted into red. Yes, base means red is converted into, that is red litmus paper to blue. Okay, now clear? I hope all of you understand today's topics. Thank you.